So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. So basically this video is all about that what I got for my 10th grade. So disclaimer is this, that I didn't bought two textbook of NCERT because it wasn't available on store that time. So that is of history and geography textbook. So yeah, let's get started this video without any further delay, and let me share you one thing that the information is that all the notebooks and textbook are given by our school in this video which I'm gonna be showing you guys. So let's get started this video without any further delay. So first of all, hello everyone, and now I am gonna be starting with my notebooks which are given by our school. So these are 12 registers. These are 12 ruled registers and 2 are one-sided blank registers which are given by our school. So for some privacy reasons, I can't show you guys my school name. If you want to check it, then please check my previous videos. So the total registers are 14 registers, and these are very sufficient and good registers because the quality is also good and the page quality is really nice. So yeah, and it is also sufficient for the whole year. So the next thing is our school diary, which is in really nice color, and I love the color of the diary and also the pages of the diary. And now we will start with our textbooks. So first of all, we are starting with social science lab skills book, and this is the book which I bought from my school, and the quality of the book is really nice and the colorful pigmentation of the book is really nice. Like, I love the colorful books. So yeah, this is 10 on 10 for me. And after that we have mathematics lab manual, and the pages of this book is also really nice and it is also colorful, so I love the book. And this is from Viva. And the next thing is our CBSE question bank of English. The quality of this book is really nice, but the only disadvantage of this book is binder. Like, when I open the pages, the binder tore all the pages, so that's why I didn't like it so much. But let's compromise with that. Sorry for that type of lightning, guys, because I can't do anything for that. So yeah, sorry for that, guys, again. And yeah, this is my English textbook which I bought from my school, and this is type of book which I bought. And the next thing is our computer workbook and lab manual. Like in the previous year we don't have this type of book, but yeah, this year we have, so we have to do it also. And this is the QR code and price of this book. And the next thing is our science lab manual. Like, this book has contained physics, chemistry and biology, all the 3 subjects, and it is of class 10th obviously. So this is the QR code of this book, and this is also from Viva. Like, most of the lab manual books are from Viva, and except the computer workbook and lab manual because it is from EduSoft. And the next thing is our मैं और मेरा व्याकरण, like Hindi व्याकरण book, and as per NCF 2023. So yeah, this is the QR code of this book and price of this book, and this is in black and white type of color. So yeah, I didn't like it so much, but yeah, let's just do it, and we can do it also throughout the year. And the next thing is our map book, which is like too thin. So, and in this color, like, this is blue, black and gray type of color, so I didn't like it so much. But yeah, we have to do it also in my summer vacations. Like, I have to complete this book. And after that I have IT, like information technology textbook, and it is from EduSoft, and this is the QR code and price of this book. Like, guys, I'll show you the price. And this is the book, and this is from EduSoft, and this is very colorful book, so I love the book. So yeah, that's all the books which I have. And after that I have the 2 registers, and I have taken it for my tuition notes because yeah, I have to do it also. So this is the mathematics notes notebook, and after that this is the science notes register which I have to, like, complete this notebook throughout the year. So yeah, I have purchased these 2 registers. And after that I have purchased these NCERT textbook. So first of all, this is the mathematics NCERT textbook, and after that I have Sanchayan, like Hindi. I have Hindi part B, like course B, so I bought Spurs and Sanchayan. So this is the Sanchayan textbook. And after that I have Spurs textbook, and like, this is thick than Sanchayan. And after that I have footprints without feet. Like, yeah, I have this book. And after that I have first flight. Like, the theme of the English textbook is brown. Like, yeah, I just believe that. And after that I have science textbook, like this is the main book which I have to study, and I have to study from this also. And this is the science textbook NCERT. And after that I have the economics, like I have economics textbook, and this is the textbook. And after that I have civics, democratic politics textbook. So yeah guys, that's all that I bought NCERT from the another store. Like I didn't bought it from my school, so yeah, I bought it from another store. And after that I bought a pencil case. Like I bought the pencil pouch, and it has two chains. In first chain I didn't keep nothing, and after that in the second chain I keep all the things. Like it is very spacious, so I keep all the things in this. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in my pencil case. So first of all, this is the black ball pen, and after that I have blue ball pen also. So yeah, these are two pens which I have. And after that I have glue stick, like it is important if my pages are tore down. And after that I have two ball pens extra. And after that I have pencil, eraser, marker and compass, cutter, etc. So yeah, that's all in my pencil case. And after that I bought a bag. Like I bought a new bag for myself, because yeah, and guys, I don't prefer the girly types of bag because it is not comfortable for me. So why we have to waste our money? So I bought these type of bags also. And in this bag we have 4 chains, like 5 chains. And these bags are very spacious. These type of bags are very spacious, and the